Welcome back to our channel, Being Mommy and More. So for today's vlog, we are going to do another Christmas activity with the kids, Lily and
Gabriel.
And we're gonna be baking chocolate crinkles, but with a Christmas twist with it. Right, so we'll start with, what's this? This is a plain flour. So I think that's 2 cups of plain flour. And then we have
chocolate.
No, 1 cup of cocoa powder. Not yet. We're just showing the ingredients. And I think we have 1.5 cups of sugar, castor sugar. And then we have 1/2 cup of butter, unsalted butter.
Can I do
4 whole eggs.
4 eggs.
And then what else?
Chocolate.
You've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of espresso.
And 1 of oil.
This is
sugar.
half a teaspoon of salt.
And that's oil.
Oh,
And this is oil.
Careful. And this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to mix the sugar and the butter. So we'll mix the sugar. You put the sugar in the mixing bowl. Okay. And then Gabriel, you put the butter. Use this if you need it. Okay. Right. And then we're gonna put this down and mix it on low speed first. Let it mix through. So while that's mixing, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. So mix the flour. Here. Yeah, go on. Then wait a minute. Mix the cocoa. Don't just drop it there. Gently. Girl. Not yet. The espresso. No, that's a salt. And that's the baking powder. Alright. So now that the dry ingredients are all in a bowl, so you can mix it slowly. Slowly, one at a time. Yeah, just don't let it splash everywhere.
You hold on to it, Clara.
So we need to make sure that it's mixing together, but I think it's because it's still a bit hard, the butter. It's struggling to mix. So wait till it's all mixed together. Mixing it. So once you see that it's starting to be a bit pale yellow, so we're gonna soon be mixing the eggs and the, not that, need to wait. Eggs and the vanilla. Okay, I'm not too bothered with that. So, Lily, mix this. Put the eggs. Now, make sure you pour all the vanilla. So, mix in the vanilla as well.
Oh, I'm back in again.
Okay. And then, we'll mix it all in again. wait until it's mixed. Do you want it red? Okay. So once it's mixed, we'll do it one at a time. So I'll hold it and then go on top. So now Kuya's turn. Make sure you don't spill it everywhere, but inside the.
Look, why is get to fill it?
There, but you can't. It's heavy in it.
Okay.
Oh, come on, and then we'll just slowly mix it first. So we'll just mix it slowly, and then you will see it's together, and you can see them all being combined. And then once it's all been mixed, we are going to put it inside the fridge for at least 3 hours to set. 3 hours to set. So it's nearly there. So that's it. I'll just show it in the video. There. So we'll just move this on one side. Then can you get that bowl, Gabriel? Please. Okay. We're gonna transfer it in a bowl, another bowl, and then put it in the fridge to set for 3 hours. And then from there we can bake, sprinkle some or roll it in a icing sugar, and then eventually we can add our, once it's baked, we can add our
Decoration.
yeah,
Decoration.
our Christmas Kisses decoration.
Mommy,
So white chocolate.
Can we quite do that and we can quite
Yeah.
roll it up?
We have to wait until 3 hours.
Okay.
It's gonna be 8 o'clock.
Okay, so that's what it looks like.
It's sticky, isn't it? It's sticky, isn't it, Mummy?
Yeah.
What? What?
I have a full recipe for this cookie in my channel. It's called Chocolate Crinkles. So if you want to check it out, it's just there too.
Mummy, thank you for letting us do a sprinkle. Thank you for Mummy. You are the best one in the whole world. You're the best.
We're gonna be
Mommy,
chubby.
no.
So that's how it looks like. So we're just gonna put a cling film on the top and then just put it in the fridge for 3 hours. We're gonna put this in the fridge for 3 hours. And then we're gonna bake it. Okay? It's not cooked yet. Alright, we'll see you in a minute again. Welcome back to our channel. So it has been more than 3 hours. So we're gonna roll this out and then roll it on the icing sugar. And once it's baked, we'll just put the Hershey's Kisses.
What about these?
Okay, so you're gonna do it,
What about our
like that. Roll. And then you have to on the icing sugar, Lily.
Yeah.
So it would look like that.
Yeah.
And then once you put it on the pan, you have to press it in the middle lightly. So I have a baking tray with a parchment paper lined.
Can I be next? Can I be after you, Mummy?
Then roll that into a circle.
Forgot this.
There you go,
Roll your
Gabby.
sleeves up.
You roll it like this.
Like you're washing your hands.
And then just
Do you think that's good? Mommy, is that good?
yeah, that's fine. I said, Lily,
Yeah.
Abby, all you need is, or do it like that.
Can I be after you again?
It's a bit soft.
Okay.
One at a time.
No.
Oh my goodness.
You waiting to come in?
Make a sugar.
Yeah.
Quit you first. You are.
Yeah, Gabby.
No, you. Thank you.
Go on.
Okay. You just did it on mine.
Right, so we'll just continue this and wait until we've all finished with the cake mixture.
I haven't done it.
You were first a while ago, right?
Next time, come.
Let's get it. Then you have to wash your hands again. Now wash hands, Gabby. Say, right, we'll come back and then once it's baked, we're gonna show you what we're gonna do with the chocolate creases.
Can I do the chocolate kisses first? Can I
You have
be
to take
first to do
turns and
that?
learn to give and take, isn't it? Now wash hands. Right, see you in a bit.
This is what we make.
And we have the Hershey's
Kisses.
Kisses to put on top. Decorating it now, we'll just put it on top like that. There, go on. One of each. Put it in the middle, on top. Don't press it too much. Press it lightly, like that. Alright, and then you can show it. And I'll show it. There you have it. Are you gonna try it as well?
Yeah!
You can try it. Take one of each. So we'll keep this in the. You have to put it in as well. No, not you. No, I'll do it. Thank you. Just eat your food, Lily. There you have it.
I ate a crinkle first.
Oh my goodness, she's so okay. I'm not giving her one.
Here.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So that's our chocolate crinkles with
With
Hershey
chocolate
kisses on top.
kisses. That's good.
And you, little girl, will be hyper as well. So what are you gonna say? Thank you for watching. That's it. We've already done our second Christmas festive activity.
What about our colouring Christmas?
Yeah, we want to.
Right, so thank you for everyone for watching. Please,
Be Mummy and more.
yes, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And please don't like butter.
Okay, being Mommy and more. Right. Enjoy
See you
your
soon
evening.
and bye.
Yeah, see you again
And
soon
see
in
you
our next
in
vlog.
days.
Alright, that's it. Say bye-bye. Take
Bye.
care.